what I learned here, everything starts with the ball and finish with the ball. So sometimes we forget that this is a game 11-11 with one ball, and we try to keep this ball. We try to play with the ball. We try to make everything with the ball.
Young boys who are interested in football, they are watching not only for me the best player ever, but arguably the best team ever. And they should watch every video, every time they're on television. Sit yourself down and watch them, because this is a unique group of players.
Never thought to play in Barcelona when I was a boy. Never thought to win a Champions League. Never thought and became a coach. Never thought before to win a league, a championship, and now to try to beat one of the best teams of the world in this atmosphere in Wembley. For us, it's a dream come true. I think in the future, I don't know what's going on in my career. I don't know if I will stay a lot of years here, or I go to retire in some island to paradise to enjoy my last years, or I'm going to play in another country. I don't know.
This could be the most dramatic story of the season. It's Torres to give Chelsea a place in the Champions League final. The headline has been written.
Ciutadans de Catalunya, ja la tornem a tenir aquí. Visca el Barça i visca Catalunya!
Season rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Messi, el pase para Henry es buenísimo. Henry, gol. Finalmente va Xavi, el remate. Puyol. Dentro del área Messi, balón para Puyol, balón atrás, va a marcar el Barcelona.
Peta 2, continua Toret, en el peta 3, a la frontal, el xut, gol!
the moment of Europe, of the world, wherever you have to win.
Thank you, everybody.
Molt bona nit a tothom. Em sembla que la vida m'ha fet aquest regal, que durant 5 anys he pogut tenir-vos tan a prop, disfrutar d'aquest meravellós espectacle que aquests xicots han pogut donar durant tot aquest temps. Jo no he sigut diferent de tots vosaltres, he sigut un privilegiat igual que vosaltres. No sabeu l'estima que m'enduc a casa, sentir-se tan volgut, tan estimat. No sabeu la felicitat que m'enduc. Gràcies absolutament a tots, sobretot els que hem estat més propers, perquè dia rere dia hagueu pogut passar unes estones bones veient-nos jugar a futbol, tan simple com això. I a vosaltres, que potser no hem estat tan a prop, us hem sentit molt a prop. Sapigueu que gràcies. Sapigueu que us trobaré molt a faltar, que el que més perd de tot això sóc jo, però el cinturó apretava molt i jo me'l descordo. Vosaltres no cal que ho feu. Seguiu-lo tenint ben cordat, perquè això tindrà llarga vida. Us desitjo tot el millor a tots i moltíssima sort, i fins aviat, que a mi no em perdreu mai.